Hi there. I'm Eleanor. I work for Mando Group, which is a digital consultancy in Liverpool. I've been working here as the HR and office manager for nearly 2 years now. Um, no, probably not. And I think it was more that formalisation of going direct to private healthcare or to a phone line. I either felt a bit with phone lines, it's a little bit too distant and there's not that personalisation there. And formalising it through private healthcare, I think people felt like there's too many hoops to jump through to get to that point when they need that help. So trying to provide something that was holistic and going to suit everybody was what we were looking for, which seemed quite hard. But then as soon as we found ReechUs, we realised that there is that personalised support for every individual. And it's also super accessible for people to just reach out and get the help that they need when they need it. Being able to go and look at the different professionals who work with ReechUs and make an informed decision about what you want that support to look like for yourself is really important. And I think, especially in the UK at the moment with the NHS and with some of the private health services that are available, it doesn't feel like you can always choose what's best for yourself, and it doesn't feel like you're always listened to. So I've spoken to several people actually who've reached out and said specifically about the physical health and nutritional health support, how great that's been, and how easy, how much they've been listened to, and also we're all really busy, right? And the professionals have been able to put together programs that are like really small incremental changes on a day-to-day basis, which is making these changes really manageable for the employees and feel like they're really like making progress week on week, which is really wonderful to hear. People have said that they've reached out for mental health support, and they've found it really useful, and it's come at a perfect time for them, when something has happened for them and they need that instant support, they've been able to get it, and that's really important. Like, I would reach out to ReechUs at any point to do with any employee support. I would even be inclined to the point where if I noticed that I had an employee who was struggling, that I might be like, I'm going to point this person in your direction. Can you keep an eye out for their email? I've also encouraged other members of our team to reach out directly to ReechUs, because I know they will be responded to, and that any queries will be dealt with seriously. I'd say that having looked and done a lot of research prior to working with yourselves, there wasn't any other business available at that time that had the breadth of support that is available through ReechUs with the personalisation.